firms up the skin, clears wrinkles, gives you an instant glowing and glass skin, and many other things. Like, there's just a lot this cream is ready to offer your skin. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, hi, good to have you here, and hope you don't make it your last. So today's video, I want to show you a cream that I've been using, a face cream that I've been using for the past 2 to 3 weeks, and I think it's about time I come out here and introduce you all to this cream. In case you don't know it, go get it and enjoy. Let's dive right into the video. So this is the product I'm talking about. This is the Cosrx Snail 92 all-in-one cream. This is the product. It comes in a box. I've already gotten rid of the box, and when you open the box, this is what you get. Now, this product is a Korean product, and Korean products can be trusted. If you're somebody like me who is very concerned about what I'm using on my skin, Korean products should be your best products because they are always very mild. So let's dive right into it. So the product comes in a 100 ml and it's like this. I paid 12 pounds for this product. I got it off Amazon, and in the shop, I'm based in the UK, and in Boots I found out that it retails for about 27 pounds. So when you open the product, it looks like this. This is it. Before we talk about the consistency, let's talk about the ingredients. It contains hyaluronate, which is hyaluronic acid, and 92% of snail mucin. Snail mucin is that slimy thing that makes some people say they can't eat snail. You know that slimy thing that the snail produces that makes some people say, ish, it doesn't look nice, I can't eat snails. That is what this cream is made of. Yeah, it might sound nasty to some people, but for what it does on the skin, honestly speaking, it is worth it. If you're somebody like me who is so concerned about your skin, I don't care. Me said I can rub anything on my face, so I can rub anything. I've rubbed things on my face that if I tell you, you cover your head. So I can do anything to get that skin as long as it is healthy. So this is what it looks like. Let me show you the consistency. This is it. It contains 92% of snail mucin and hyaluronic, which is hyaluronic acid. Can you see how slimy it is? Yes, it is very slimy. Not the best to some people, but for me, I don't care, like I mentioned. Now, what is this cream supposed to do? This cream is supposed to firm up your skin and give you an instant glowing and glass effect on your skin. If you know those Korean babes, you know how their skins are always looking so glassy. They use products like this over a long period of time. One thing with Korean products is that they are very safe and can be used over a long period of time. And then with consistency, you're going to have long-lasting results. So this is what it looks like I said, and apply it on your face. Can you see? Let me apply it on my face. You see how glowy my face will look like. Can you see? Just take your time, massage it on your skin. The consistency might not be the best. It's a bit slimy, but to me, it is not sticky. It's slightly sticky, but not too sticky. I had already applied it on this side of the face, and now I'm applying it on this face. Remember, I told you, I remember I've not made a review about this product yet. So this is how it looks like. Can you see? Can you see? Give it time to absorb into your skin. Apply on your neck, apply everywhere. It is a face cream. Now some people will be asking me, can it lighten the skin? No, it cannot lighten the skin because it doesn't contain any active ingredient. It contains only 92% of snail mucin and hyaluronic. Now, if you know hyaluronic is hyaluronic acid. What hyaluronic acid does is that it pulls in moisture into your skin. That is why you always have to apply this cream on a damp skin. If you want to get the best results, apply it on a damp skin so that it will help to seal in the moisture from whatever you are. If you have a hydrating serum, you apply your hydrating serum first before you apply this cream, so it will seal in the moisture and you're going to get long-lasting hydration on your skin. Now, I said it doesn't lighten the skin. However, you can incorporate it into your brightening or lightening skincare routine. How do you do that if you're wondering? Let's say you have dark spots on your face, you want to clear pimples, acne scars, you want to clear acne scars, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone. What you do is give your face a cleanse in the morning. You can use this product 2 times a day. Let me say that before I forget. 2 times a day. In the morning, before you apply any product on your skin, whether this product or any other product, you have to make sure you cleanse your face. Yes, cleanse your face. Get a good cleanser and wash your face with it. After applying your cleanser on your washing your face or cleansing your face with your cleanser, apply your toner first. After applying your toner, then you can go ahead and use your treatments, if you get what I mean. Wash your face or cleanse your face, apply your toner, and then apply your treatment serums, whether vitamin C, whether niacinamide, whether alpha butene, whatever serum you're using to treat whatever concern that your skin has, apply it on your skin. And then after that, you can go ahead and apply this face cream, the Cosrx face cream. After applying the cream, don't forget to go ahead and use your sunscreen. Very important, whether you're using lightening products or not, whether you're not even using vitamin C, you're using just this cream, make sure you apply your sunscreen so that you can have long-lasting results. The manufacturer says that you can use this cream morning and night, and it is very suitable for all skin types. I'll also highly recommend that if you have very dry skin, you can try checking out this product. It is very good. I've noticed that it's helping me with my dry skin. I'm very dry around my nose area and my chin area here. I noticed that from the time I started using this cream. I've used it for almost 3 weeks now. I've noticed a massive difference on the dryness around my nose here. So go ahead and try it, and if you think it's not hydrating your skin enough, you can go ahead and incorporate hydrating face wash, hydrating serums, and even hydrating toners so that you can get more moisture. Just do what is going to work for your skin. But for this cream, it is a pass for me. Whether you're dark skin, whether you're light skin, all skin complexions can roll well with this cream because it doesn't contain any active ingredients. But if you're looking for something that is going to bleach you, give you 3 shades lighter, 4 shades lighter, 2 shades lighter, 1 shade lighter, I'm sorry, this is not the product for you. But if you are looking for a regular moisturizer to firm up your skin, to boost your collagen production, to give you a glass skin, to fight wrinkles, fine lines, and all whatnot, you might want to check out this product. So that will be it for this video. And if you have any questions about this product, please leave them in the comment section. If you've used this product before, let me know how it worked for you. And if you're going to be trying this product, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.